been less than 2 years since a vendor in Tunisia set himself on fire to protest the oppressive corruption in his country and sparked what became known as the Arab Spring. That's not what we do, partly because we have enough confidence that we've got the better argument, and ultimately governments that pursue oppressive policies, corrupt policies, that over time those governments will fail because that's not the kind of government that's going to meet the aspirations of people. When your governments may try to pass oppressive laws.
Now, an argument you'll hear oftentimes from critics is that the way to grow the economy is just to get rid of regulations. Free folks up from the oppressive hand of the government.
Indeed, the same technologies that empower citizens like you also give oppressive regimes new tools to stifle dissent.